Have you been feeling tired lately, even after a full night's sleep? If so, you're not alone. In this bustling world, countless individuals unknowingly suffer from low thyroid hormone, a condition that often sneaks under the radar. It's a silent epidemic, its symptoms often mistaken for the usual wear and tear of life. But what if your constant fatigue isn't just about your hectic schedule? What if it's a sign of something more? Let's uncover the 7 signs that you may be low on thyroid hormone. First up, an obvious sign but often overlooked: fatigue. Ever feel like you're running on empty even after a full night's sleep? This could be more than just late-night Netflix binges. The thyroid hormone is like your body's natural energy drink, playing a crucial role in keeping your batteries charged. So, when it's running low, you might find yourself constantly tired, no matter how much rest you get. So, if you're constantly tired, your thyroid might be the culprit. Next, we have an unexpected weight gain. A low thyroid hormone level can put your metabolism on a slow-motion reel, leading to weight gain. This can happen even if you're eating healthily and keeping up with your workouts. It's like being stuck in a traffic jam when you're in a hurry. Only this time, your metabolism is the one stuck in traffic. So, if you've been piling on pounds without any apparent reason, it may be worth having a chat with your doctor about your thyroid hormone levels. Are you always cold, even when others aren't? Do you have unusually dry skin? These could be signs of low thyroid hormone. The thyroid gland plays a pivotal role in regulating our body temperature. When it's underactive, it may leave you feeling cold, even in a warm room. Additionally, the thyroid hormone is crucial for skin health. A deficiency can disrupt the skin's natural renewal process, leading to dry, flaky skin. Cold intolerance and dry skin can be more than just discomfort. They may be signs of low thyroid hormone. Our last 3 signs are hair loss, memory issues, and depression. Low thyroid hormone can indeed be a sneaky culprit behind these seemingly unrelated symptoms. Hair loss, for instance, isn't just about vanity, it's about vitality. Your hair follicles, like most parts of your body, require thyroid hormone to grow and function optimally. So, when your thyroid isn't pumping out enough hormones, your hair may become thin or even fall out. Now let's talk about your brain. Cognitive function, including memory, is closely linked with thyroid hormones. A deficiency can lead to forgetfulness or difficulty focusing. It's not just brain fog, it could be your thyroid. And lastly, depression. Our mood is a delicate balance, and thyroid hormone plays a vital role in maintaining it. When levels are low, you might feel unusually down or lack the energy to enjoy life as you once did. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be time to consult a healthcare professional. In summary, the 7 signs of low thyroid hormone are fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, dry skin, hair loss, memory issues, and depression. Each of these symptoms can significantly impact your everyday life. Fatigue can make the simplest tasks seem monumental, while unexplained weight gain can lead to a decrease in self-esteem and confidence. Cold intolerance and dry skin can cause discomfort and annoyance, affecting your overall mood and well-being. Hair loss can be disheartening, especially when it's out of your control. Memory issues can create a sense of unease and frustration, and depression can color your entire world with a shade of gray. These signs are not just symptoms, they are indicators of a bigger picture, a potential imbalance in your thyroid hormone levels. And while these symptoms may seem minor or easy to overlook, they should not be ignored. Remember, these symptoms can be easily overlooked. If you're experiencing any of these, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Your health is worth it.